Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something that might save your wallet. How to request a Visa card refund. Whether you bought a faulty product, got double charged, or simply changed your mind, knowing this process can help you get your money back quickly and hassle-free. Let's break it down step by step. First off, what exactly is a Visa card refund? It's essentially a way to dispute a transaction through your bank or Visa's network. This could involve a chargeback, where the funds are reversed from the merchant back to your account. But remember, not all purchases qualify, so check your card's terms first. Step 1. Gather your evidence. Before you do anything, collect all the details about the transaction. That means pulling up your receipt, transaction ID, the date of purchase, and any communication with the merchant. Having solid proof makes your case stronger and speeds things up. Next, contact your bank or card issuer. Most banks have a dedicated customer service line for disputes. Log into your online banking portal, go to the Transactions section, and look for a Dispute or Report an Issue option. If you're calling, be ready with your card details and the evidence you gathered. Once you've initiated the process, file the dispute formally. Explain why you're requesting the refund. Maybe the item didn't arrive or was defective. Visa typically has a 60-day window from the transaction date, so act fast to avoid missing deadlines. After submitting, keep an eye on your account and follow up if needed. Your bank will investigate, which might take a few weeks. Stay polite and patient, as this involves the merchant too. Finally, if your refund is approved, the money should hit your account soon. If it's denied, you might appeal or contact Visa directly. Always keep records of everything for your files. There you have it. Requesting a Visa card refund doesn't have to be overwhelming. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.